This is the first of two ePortfolio orientation videos for LEH 100 classes at Lehman College. In this video, we're going to learn how to log in to Digication, change personal settings, create an ePortfolio, and lastly, how to enroll in our instructor's ePortfolio page. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Lehman College ePortfolio website, which is lehman-cuny.digication.com. There's also a direct link to this page from your LEH 100 Blackboard page. Your username to log in will be your full Lehman College email address, which is typically firstname.lastname@lc.cuny.edu. And your password, your default password, is going to be LEH 100, all lowercase, all one word. And let's use a mouse to click the login button. Sometimes if you type enter or return, it won't log you in. So just always use a mouse or a trackpad to click login. So this is your welcome page. We haven't created anything, so there's nothing to be seen quite yet. The first thing we're going to do, though, is change our password, because everybody has the same one right now. So in the top right-hand corner, would you please click on your name after it says welcome, then your first name. This is your user profile, where you can edit any information here that may need to be changed, such as the username, first or last name misspellings. But right now we're going to change the password. So you'll have to type in your new password on that line and then retype it again on the line below it. At the bottom of the page, there's a place where you can put your school profile. This is sort of optional. We're going to actually upload a directory icon in a future step, so this is sort of unnecessary. You can attach something here by clicking Browse and finding the image, but I would recommend waiting until the next steps to upload a directory icon. So when we're all done with that, we can just click the green Save button at the bottom. And now let's click on the top left-hand corner of on the link that says Home. Okay. So what we've done, obviously, is just change the password. Now we're actually going to create an ePortfolio. In this section right here that says My ePortfolios, please click on the green button that says Create. So the title of our ePortfolio is going to be our first name, space, last name. And you'll notice that it immediately assigns you a web address. In the next section, choose a template. We're going to choose our template for our ePortfolio. Let's go to the right-hand side and click on More Templates. Scroll down just a bit, click on CUNY Lehman College Templates. Scroll down and select LEH 100 Student Template, Fall 2012. And then when it appears on the right, click Select. The next section that says Choose a Theme, please click on the green text that says Use Selected Templates Theme. Click Customize below Default Style, and you'll notice it brings up a box below that says Customize Theme. Here's where we can upload a directory icon. So we can browse for that information just like we would attach an email. Find the image you'd like. Don't click the Save button yet because we still have more work to do with permissions. So we'll scroll down to the permissions. For LEH 100 sections, we're going to select the second option, or the middle option, that's private within CUNY Lehman College. These are your permission settings, so you can alter these at any time as you see fit. But for LEH 100 sections, we're choosing the second option and also going to the right and clicking on Custom Permissions. You can leave directory categories alone, that's fine as is. What we want to do here, though, is add your LEH 100 professor to your ePortfolio as an administrator. And the reason why we're doing this is so that he or she will have access to see what you're posting on your ePortfolio. So we'll type in our professor's last name, our LEH 100 professor. Add that. Under role, let's go ahead and make the professor admin. After this course ends, if you'd like to take the professor off of your ePortfolio, you can do that by clicking the Remove button, and I'll show you how to come back to these settings in a moment. So we have our LH100 instructor as an administrator on our ePortfolio. And the last thing we're going to do before we create the ePortfolio is click on Do Not Allow Tags. This just means that people can't leave anonymous posts on your ePortfolio. And then we'll click the bottom left-hand button, Create New ePortfolio. So this is what your ePortfolio looks like. We've just selected a template. If there's ever any information that you would like to edit about your ePortfolio that we just created, you can always go to Portfolio Tools and click on Settings. Right, some other options, of course, you could download it, download your ePortfolio to your desktop, etc. You can also delete it from here also and start another one if you make a mistake or would like to do a different template in the future. But if we click on Settings, you'll see that it takes us back to the page we were just on, where we can change any of the settings if we like. I'm just going to click Cancel since we have everything as we want it. Okay, so this is our ePortfolio. In the second video, I detail how to perform specific tasks within ePortfolio. So if you want to know how to upload content and edit it, look at the second video. The last thing we're going to do in this first video is get you enrolled in the instructor's course on Digication. So if you would please click on the Home link on the top left-hand corner of the screen. It'll take us back to your welcome page. You'll notice you have your ePortfolio created with your directory icon. But we don't have anything under Courses. So let's go to the green button Find next to My Courses. And all we're going to do is find our LEH100 professor's name. Click on that. And click the green button that says Enroll. So what you've just done is enrolled yourself in the instructor's course page on Digication. Okay? So now the instructor can add your ePortfolio into this course page and view it and see how you're making progress and look at different posts that you're making. Okay, so let's click one more time on the left button, the top left-hand corner, the Home link. And it'll take us back, and this is exactly what we want to see. We want to see one portfolio created for us with the directory icon, as well as that we're enrolled in our LEH100 course. So this concludes the first of 2 videos on how to use ePortfolio and LEH100 sections. Please see the second video to learn about uploading and editing content on ePortfolio.